Hello guys, welcome back to my another video, and in today's video guys, mag-share po ako ulit ng another airdrop with bounty program sa isang cryptocurrency trading na platform. So ito po yung evenfound.org, and this is an open cross-chain platform and also a decentralized exchange for cryptocurrency trading based on the blockchain. So dito sa platform na to guys, they makes operation within the exchange as transparent and secure as possible. So ayun nga guys, currently meron silang airdrop and bounty program which will last until May 20. And recently guys, kaka-update lang ng referral program nila, which is kapag ka nag-register kayo sa referral link, makakakuha kayo ng 1,000 bonus event tokens. And yung nag-refer naman is makaka-receive ng 100 bonus tokens. Previously kasi guys, kapag ka nag-register kayo sa referral link, yung makukuha nyo lang is 100 bonus event tokens. So yun nga, ngayon times 10 na po yung makukuha nyo dyan, which is makakakuha kayo ng 1,000 bonus event tokens. So yun nga guys, i-click nyo lang yung referral link and mag-register lang kayo. And take note guys once na na-click nyo na yung referral link, dapat doon kayo mag-register sa may nakalagay or may naka-indicate na 1,000 even. Which is dito guys, nakalagay rito is congratulations, someone has sent you 1,000 even tokens. So dyan po kayo mag-register guys. So ilagay nyo lang yung email address nyo dyan and magsisend po yan ng email to verify your account. Kasi guys, kapag ka nagkamali kayo rito and dito kayo nag-create or nag-register ng account, let's say dito, kinlik nyo tong join now. So as you can see guys, ang marireceive nyo lang dyan na token is 100. Alright, so take note yan guys ha. Alright guys, so once na na-verified na yung email nyo and nakapag-login na kayo dito sa evenfound.org, ang requirements po dito guys para makredit sa balance nyo yung mga tokens na makukuha nyo from referrals or bounty program is kailangan po rito ng KYC verification or know your customer. And meron din sila rito guys na 4 levels of referral program, which is in level 1 is makakakuha kayo dyan ng 10% bonus, and sa level 2 naman is 5% bonus, in level 3 3% bonus, and in level 4 is 1% bonus. So yun nga guys, dito every person's completed registration by your referral link is you will get 100 bonus tokens. So like I said nga guys, kahit na nag-start pa lang kayo dito, basta nakapag-register kayo dun sa mismong referral link is meron na agad kayong 1,000 even tokens. And yan po ay nasa around $33. Basically guys, yung every 30 even is equivalent to $1 po. And yung initial listing rate dito guys is 3,000 even tokens, and that is equivalent into $100. So dito guys sa bounty program, ito yung mga bounty tasks na kailangan nyong gawin para magkaroon kayo ng additional tokens. So ayun nga guys, for example dito sa Twitter, kailangan nyo lang mag-subscribe dito sa user na yan and you will be rewarded 10 tokens. So for example, i-click natin to. Will do. And dito guys, i-open lang natin tong link na to. And then, i-follow nyo lang to guys. I-follow nyo lang tong user na to. Click mo lang yung follow, and then kailangan nating i-screenshot to guys na dapat makikita na naka-follow tayo sa user na to, kasi yan yung isa sa mga requirements na kailangan nating i-upload dun sa bounty task. And after that guys, kailangan ko ring i-copy yung profile link ko, kasama rin yan sa requirements ng task, kasi para ma-check nila kung talagang nag-follow ka sa user na yon. And then dito, ayan, so paste natin dito sa confirmation link. And then dito guys, dito natin i-upload yung in-screenshot natin. Alright, and then after that, kailangan mo lang maglagay ng notes dito sa comments. Kahit anong notes lang, for example, done. And then after that, click mo na yung submit report. And dito guys sa active task, nawala na siya and mapupunta na yun dun sa may your status. So click mo lang yan, and then dito nyo makikita lahat ng mga bounty task na na-take nyo na, and yung mga status din, kung processing pa lang ba siya, done or completed na. Alright? And dito guys, meron din silang YouTube bounty task, and yung makukuha yung reward dito is 1,000 tokens po. So ang kailangan nyo lang gawin dito guys is gumawa lang kayo ng 2 to 5 minutes na video review about dito sa platform na to, and i-upload nyo sa YouTube channel nyo. So take note po guys, kung gusto nyong gumawa ng video review rito, meron pong deadline yan, which is May 1 po. And the rest of the task guys, kayo nang bahala kung iti-take nyo pa. And by the way guys, before kong makalimutan, kailangan nyo palang i-send yung deposit address nyo or yung Ethereum wallet address nyo dito sa Telegram group na to. So dito sa akin, paste ko lang. So ayan. So guys make sure na Ethereum wallet address po yung isi-send nyo rito. Alright guys, ilalagay ko na lang yung links and requirements to do sa description, and be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next upload ko.